Hey guys, this is Lanky Trader. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to run you guys through all the trades that's like a trade recap of all the trades that we had this week. So from I told you guys last week that I'm going to be staying away from the chart because we're entering December, and around this time people are closing for the year. You understand? Closing their big positions for the year. The market movers are closing out for the year. So the market will tend to be slow and sluggish. I said, okay, I'll just stay away from the market during this time, and we'll resume trade in January. So, but I'm just going to run you guys through the chart analysis of all the trades, all our setups this week, so that we'll still backtest our strategy through December and see how accurate it is at the end of the year. So let's begin. So this is our Monday setup. This is our 9:30 candle right here. Mark out the high and the low. We had the break above, came back for a retest. We entered for a buy, stops at the low. Target is 1 to 2. And you guys can see we hit our take profit nicely right here. And this is our Tuesday setup. So our Tuesday setup, this is our 9:30 candle right here. Mark out the high and the low. We had the break below, so you can see that it moved so fast. So I didn't really want to enter setup from here. So I kind of said like, okay, if he comes back for a retest, then we'll take it from there. But I can see it just spiked and took out the stop for the retest. So that's our Tuesday setup. So our Wednesday setup, these are Wednesday setup. So this is one of the reasons why I said I was going to stay away from the charts this period. So this is our opening range candle here. Mark out the hand below. We had the break below. Then you can see what market did, just came back up, and it's basically went sideways for like 2 days. So this is what we want to avoid by trading December, this kind of movement. So that is for Wednesday. So Thursday, so this is Thursday setup. These are opening range candle here. Mark at the hand below. We had the break above, and then you enter for your buy, stops at the low. Then you can see market basically ranged around 10 p.m. then spiked up. So take profit. That's what happened here. So that's our Thursday setup. Then Friday setup. These are Friday setup here. Mark out the 9:30 candle, our opening range candle. Mark out the hand below. You had the break above. So you enter for your buy, stops at the low. Why I entered immediately here is because basically we just retested and closed back above the previous day high in confluence with our opening range. So that's a very high probability trade, but I didn't enter it. So we entered buy here, stops at the low, then target is 1 to 2, and you guys can see we hit our take profit nicely right here. So guys, that's our all the trades recap for our gold setups this week using the opening range strategy. So the result wasn't as bad as I expected it to be, so it's still usable. So we'll just keep testing it throughout December and see how accurate it is. So you know we know, it's always good to know your strategies, strengths and weaknesses. So you know how to manage those setups during the strengths and manage your setups during the weaknesses. So that's all for this video, guys. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.